We live in remarkable times. For centuries, humans have dreamt of creating machines that can think and learn. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. From personalized recommendations online to voice assistants in your homes, AI is subtly but surely weaving itself into our daily lives. In this crash course, we'll demystify the world of artificial intelligence, exploring its core concepts and potential to revolutionize industries. Fasten your seatbelts because we're about to take a thrilling plunge into the future. At its heart, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that endeavors to build machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks span a wide spectrum, from recognizing patterns and making decisions to understanding natural language and solving complex problems. Imagine a computer program that can diagnose diseases with the accuracy of a seasoned doctor, or a self-driving car that navigates through rush hour traffic. The fundamental goal of AI is to create systems that can learn from experience, adapt to new information, and perform human-like tasks without explicit programming for every single step. Instead of relying on pre-programmed rules, AI systems learn from data, identifying patterns and making predictions based on that data. It's about creating systems that can think, learn, and problem solve much like we do. As we venture deeper into the world of AI, it's important to understand that not all AI is created equal. AI systems can be categorized into three levels: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial superintelligence. ANI, or weak AI, represents the most common form of AI we encounter today, designed to perform specific tasks like playing chess or filtering spam emails. AGI, or strong AI, represents the hypothetical level where machines achieve human-level intelligence across a wide range of tasks. However, AGI remains a theoretical concept, and we haven't yet built machines that possess this level of general intelligence. At the pinnacle of the AI pyramid sits ASI, or super AI, representing a future where machines surpass human intelligence in virtually every aspect. ASI systems would possess cognitive abilities far beyond our own, potentially leading to advancements that are difficult for us to even fathom. One of the most powerful and widely used approaches within AI is machine learning. Instead of relying on explicit programming, machine learning allows systems to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Think of it like teaching a child to ride a bike. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that data. The more data they are exposed to, the better they become at their designated tasks. This ability to learn from data is what makes machine learning so powerful and adaptable. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, algorithms are trained on labeled data, where both the input and desired output are provided. Unsupervised learning involves training algorithms on unlabeled data, allowing them to discover patterns and structures on their own. Reinforcement learning takes inspiration from how humans learn through trial and error, rewarding desired actions and penalizing undesirable ones. This approach has been successfully used to train AI systems to play complex games like Go and Dota 2 at superhuman levels. Section 5. Neural networks and deep learning, the Brainpower. Inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that has revolutionized the field of AI. These networks consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons, organized in layers. Deep learning, a subfield of machine learning, involves training neural networks with multiple layers, allowing them to learn increasingly complex representations of data. Convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, are particularly well suited for image recognition tasks, using convolutional layers to extract features from images. Recurrent neural networks, or RNNs, are designed to process sequential data such as text or speech, retaining information from previous inputs. RNNs are well suited for tasks like language translation and speech recognition, where the order of words matters. Section 6, AI in action transforming industries. The impact of AI is already being felt across a wide range of industries, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs and treatments, diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, and personalize patient care. The financial industry is leveraging AI to detect fraud, assess credit risk, and provide personalized financial advice. Transportation is undergoing a revolution thanks to AI, with self-driving cars promising to make our roads safer and more efficient. AI is also being used to optimize traffic flow, predict maintenance needs, and improve logistics and delivery systems. In the entertainment industry, AI is creating personalized recommendations, generating realistic special effects, and even composing music. AI-powered chatbots are enhancing customer service experiences, while virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are becoming increasingly integrated into our daily lives. Section 7. The dark side of the code: AI risks and challenges. While the potential benefits of AI are vast, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the potential risks and challenges associated with this transformative technology. One significant concern is the potential for AI to perpetuate and amplify existing biases. Since AI systems learn from data, if the data itself reflects human biases, the AI system may inadvertently perpetuate those biases in its decisions and predictions. Another concern is the potential for job displacement as AI systems automate tasks currently performed by humans. Security risks are also a major concern in the age of AI, as AI systems become more integrated into critical infrastructure. Ensuring the security and resilience of AI systems is paramount to prevent catastrophic consequences. It's important to consider the societal impact of AI and develop strategies to mitigate potential job displacement, such as retraining programs and policies that promote job creation in AI-related fields. Section 8. Visions of the future: AI's potential unfolded. As AI continues to advance at an exponential pace, it's natural to wonder what the future holds for this transformative technology. One area of active research is AI's ability to understand and respond to human emotions, known as affective computing. This has the potential to revolutionize fields like customer service, healthcare, and education, allowing for more personalized and empathetic interactions. Quantum AI explores the intersection of quantum computing and artificial intelligence, potentially unlocking new levels of AI capabilities. Quantum AI could lead to breakthroughs in drug discovery, material science, and optimization problems currently intractable for classical AI systems. The quest for artificial general intelligence, or AGI, remains a holy grail in the field of AI, with profound implications for humanity. AGI systems, with their human-level intelligence and adaptability, could revolutionize virtually every aspect of our lives, but also pose significant ethical and existential questions. Section 9. Stay curious, stay informed. As we stand at the cusp of the AI revolution, it's more important than ever to stay curious, stay informed, and engage in thoughtful discussions about the future we're creating. AI has the potential to be one of the most transformative technologies in human history, with the power to solve some of our most pressing challenges and unlock unprecedented opportunities. By understanding the core concepts of AI, its potential benefits, and the risks and challenges it presents, we can navigate this exciting new era with wisdom and foresight. The future of AI is not predetermined, it's something we shape collectively through our choices and actions. So stay curious, stay informed, and let's work together to ensure that AI is harnessed for the betterment of humanity and the creation of a brighter future for all.